everyone, welcome to Be My Cook. Today I have a wonderful cookie recipe for you and it's called white chocolate almond cookies. So stay tuned. So here is our white chocolate almond cookie. This is a great cookie for any of your cookie exchanges, and it tastes great. I have it here with a cup of sweetened chai tea. This is an awesome cookie. It makes 20 cookies, and they're big cookies, and you're gonna love it. So if you'd like to see more recipes, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.